Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and become a seller on Etsy. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For that matter, first of all, access your particular Play Store and simply type in Etsy seller app and simply install it and tap on this open afterwards. So this is especially for the seller accounts, and tap on this sign in or continue with Google. Simply create yourself an account, choose your account. So once you have signed in, go ahead, enter your particular email and then enter your particular password and simply sign in, or you can simply choose to register for your account. Once you have created your account, it will simply let you create your shop or set your shop. So you have to enter the location and the currency that you want to sell and receive with, and then you have to add the shop name, and then you're gonna go ahead and add your products list over there, what you want to sell. Then it will ask you for you to set a payment and billing method for you, what method you would like. You have to add in the shipping options and customize your storefront according to your need. And if you want to simply add more of the interactions and attraction, you can go live afterwards. And that is the way you can simply set yourself a Etsy storefront for you to sell products on. And that is it, what it takes. Then go ahead, add your products and add on the discounts and offers there in this announcement section, and then you will be done. That is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.